if ikaw, 10 years from now, let's say, wala kang improvement, wala kang change, guess what? It's your fault.
Life will keep teaching you the same lessons over and over again until you learn it. The only way for you to actually make some changes is for you to realize that there is a problem.
The problem with that is if you have those baggages and you are not willing to let go of those baggages, talagang mahihirapan kang magbago.
Welcome to another episode of the Press Play Podcast. So, nandito ulit kami, Nandito pa rin itong taong to. Sino to?
Si Ian, your pabida-bida multi-potentialite.
Yes, sir! And then ako pa rin to, si Dread. Simpleng tao pa rin.
So, our topic for today is something na hindi pa natin na-discuss ever sa podcast natin.
Yeah, I don't think so. Feel ko like, kung merong konting hints but it's not like,
It's not like really
deep.
something na, na dinig natin before.
Yeah.
Something new. And guess what? It's all about change or transformation. So, when you hear the word change, ba brother, what comes to your mind? Or transformation?
Optimus Prime, bro.
Transform!
But no, joking aside though, like, when I hear change, I think ang naiisip ko talaga is about mindset.
Mindset.
Yeah. Kasi I don't think na, when you think about change, hindi mo makikita yung, let's just say, for the lack of a better term talaga, changes sa labas if hindi ka rin nag-change sarili mo. So that's why automatically I think about yourself, parang like sarili ko or yung mindset when it comes to change. How about you?
Yeah, change is something that starts from within. And it starts within yourself. But, going to another question, brother. What do you think are the catalyst for change for people?
Catalyst for change, huh? Marami actually. I feel
Marami,
like
diba?
marami. It could be a very traumatic experience for you that
That's
forces you to change. Or baka meron kang goal na gusto mo
That's
i-pursue,
another one.
na siguro, let's just say, na hindi mo talaga siya na-achieve before, but now you are able to pursue that one. So now you are thinking of changing things for yourself. Yun yung isa sa, just a couple of catalysts, Or maybe rin pwede environment mo, yung environment or your people
Tama.
that actually motivate you to do some change in your life. Diba? And yung change, by the way, it could either be good or bad.
Tama.
Diba? Merong mga changes na we think na mabuti para sa atin, but actually it's not. Especially pag tinitingnan mo siya in the long run.
Yeah.
Diba? So yun yung mga catalysts that at least for now I can see. Baka ikaw, baka meron ka pang ma-add.
When it comes to change, yes, that is
catalyst.
actually true. I agree with the change. It's because of traumatic experience or bad experience or the environment that you have that forces you to change. So change or transformation for you, brother, is it easy or not?
No.
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 Why?
Simple answer, no. Hindi madali ang change because tayo we're humans and we are creatures of habit. So
Yes.
kung ano yung nakasanayan natin, we're just gonna gravitate towards that one. Yun yung comfort zone natin
Yes.
right? So if yung comfort zone natin is very parang paradise-like, parang ang ganda ng feeling, there's no pain, hindi ka nagsa-struggle,
Yes.
wala namang problema. That's why it's a comfort zone kasi nga nandun ka sa comfort mo.
Yes.
So, you're gonna change now? Diba? Like, parang ang hirap nun.
Yes.
Now, wala ka na sa comfort zone mo. Now, you have to do things that will make you suffer.
Yeah.
So, why, diba? Why change at all kung ganun naman pala yung results of changing? That's why change is hard. And even though na yung change is needed for everybody, not everyone is going to do it. Kasi they're stuck in their comfort zones.
Yan. So, speaking of comfort zone, brother, Are you in your comfort zones right now?
Yes, meron akong comfort zone. Yeah. I don't think na kahit, even as adults talaga, everybody has their comfort zones.
Yeah.
Di mo yun maaalis because meron kang nakasanayan na ginagawa mo and it's really working, 'di ba?
Yes.
Like I said kanina, why do you have to change if it's working?
Yeah. You don't have to reinvent the wheel if it's working.
Correct. And then yun pa talaga yung sa industry natin, right? Like you don't need to reinvent the wheel.
Mhm.
Pero at some point rin, maiisip mo rin na you have to because pag hindi ka nag-change, right? There's no change in anything that you do, you come to a plateau.
Yes, the
Straight
plateau.
line lang yung progress mo, walang nangyayari, and that's where you actually feel burnout
Mhm.
because it's the same thing over and over and over again.
Mhm.
Pero kung if you think na dumating ka na talaga sa point na yun, like I feel like a lot of people nowadays are feeling burnt out rin,
Mhm.
'di ba? Especially with work, especially online work, whether or not nasa physical na trabaho ka, you will feel burnt out. Mapapagod ka rin because you're doing the same thing over and over again. Pero ang maganda dun is if you realize that, now capable ka na to change.
Yes.
Because I think for me, the first way for you to change is to know that you need to change.
That is what we call self-awareness,
Correct.
guys, right?
Kailangan mo i-acknowledge yung position mo right now.
Mhm.
Hindi mo mababago yung sarili mo kung hindi mo rin alam na kailangan kang magbago.
Tama.
'Di ba? So yun lang yung ko pagdating sa change. I'm sure there's like a lot more,
Yeah.
'di
There's
ba?
a lot more when it comes to change or
Yeah.
transformation.
Yeah. Sa'yo ba, bro? Like what do you think about that? But when it comes to change ba?
So change or transformation means going beyond the form.
Mm.
And when we say transformation, people are actually focused on the context of change.
Mm.
How, the why, the
what?
what,
Yeah.
the strategies, the secret sauce,
Mm.
the quickest way, the shortcut.
How to get rich online quick.
Yun. We are so much focused on the context of things. But if we really want to change, we need to focus on the who. This is something that is na-realize ko when I attended Coach Russ session
Mm.
about personal development. No, I don't know if you know Coach Russ Huson. He's transformational Coach Russ, but he says, and I quote, na you need to focus on the who before you could truly change. Is the who, yung who ba, yung body niya ba, yung mind, tsaka yung heart, aligned ba yun?
Yeah.
That's very important. And, people are focused, or what keeps people from changing are the baggages. These are the baggages of the past.
Mhm.
It may be the baggages of the present and the baggages of the oncoming future.
Yeah.
The problem with that is if you have those baggages and you are not willing to let go of those baggages, talagang mahihirapan kang magbago. That is why we need to learn how to what we call let go.
Yeah. That's true.
Let go talaga. Kapag hindi mo pa yan male-let go, hindi ka talaga
Mhm.
mag-change.
Yeah. I'm reminded of a very specific thing that I've learned years back. And naging mantra ko na rin to actually. Life will keep teaching you the same lessons over and over again until you learn it talaga. Until you make a change.
Until you make a change.
Kung meron kayong problema sa buhay nyo and it kept happening since, like let's just say, last year pa to. And then 2 years pa siguro to. And then, napapansin mo like, bakit di nagbabago buhay ko? It's because you haven't learned anything.
Mhm.
Hindi mo binigyan ng oras yung sarili mo to learn about that specific situation. Yun lang naman talaga when it comes to life, really. The only way for you to actually make some changes is for you to realize that there is a problem. Diba?
So you know what? Change is a really hard thing, and change makes us human, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because if you don't have anything to look forward to doing to improve yourself in the next few days, next few years, what do you think will happen, right?
Wala.
Wala. You will just be an empty shell.
Yeah.
And you know, humans are transcendent creatures and we love to, contemplate. See what will happen in the next few years, ganyan. I will become this, I will become that. And how will you actually achieve that
Yeah.
if you yourself are not willing to change?
Yeah.
Again, focus on the who. You need to be really clear about who you are, who you want to be in the next few years, and you need to let go of your past baggages, your present baggages, future baggages, and become truly happy by yourself. Are you actually loving yourself?
Mm.
Yun yung talaga. Because if you love yourself, truly love yourself, you truly feel good about yourself, then you will be prone to change talaga. You will
Yeah.
be moved to change. Hindi mo kailangan talaga, bro, ng significant event
Mm.
for you to change. Right? So, what are your thoughts about that, brother? Yung sige, ganito na lang.
Sige, gawa ka ng scenario.
What were the moments in your life that drove you to change? Or what are the turning points of your life that move you or compel you to take action to change?
Ooh, that's good. Everybody, meron talaga mga multiple points in their life na considered as turning points, right?
Yeah.
But I think one of my biggest ones is actually going sa abroad sa labas. Because I realized how small I was.
Mm-hmm.
How small my mindset was.
Yeah.
How small my thinking, yung skills ko.
Yes.
Because everybody there is better than you.
Yeah.
Nakaka-humble. And let's just say, yung mga tao na nag-work doon, whether Filipinos, whether ibang lahi, they're actually better than you.
Mm-hmm.
Nakaka-humble. If you think na you're doing really well here, labas ka. No.
Yeah.
There's a lot of people that are better than you, smarter than you, more beautiful, more handsome,
Mm-hmm.
Wealthier than you. You think that kung iisipin mo na you're the best, no, you're not, dude.
Yeah.
Yun yung isa sa mga turning points ko kasi na-realize ko that I need to do better.
Yeah.
And because of that, I always thought na I have to keep my growth mindset.
Mm-hmm.
Kasi if I don't have that, I'll get stuck.
Tama.
So, yun yung isa sa mga turning points ko rin.
Mm-hmm.
Just by going there, changing my environment, doon ko lang talaga na-realize.
From the Philippines to the US,
Mm,
boom.
exactly.
And
How about sa'yo, bro?
I could say multiple points then, bro, but there's this one moment in my life that I realized that I have to change.
Yeah.
And I know parang gas-gas na to, but I maybe have shared this from the previous podcast episode. But as you all know, guys, being a digital marketer is not my forte before. Being in content creation is not my forte before. Being a coach, financial coach, was not my thing before. Being a singer-songwriter was not a thing of me before. But what compelled me to change? It's because of environment talaga din. When you are in an environment where you are feeling stressed, where pushed to your limits as to your mental health is concerned, you will realize that there is more to your career.
Yeah.
People are focused on their titles. Kung ano yung natapos nila. Kung ano yung magiging impact nila in the workforce. I do respect that. I was a professional geologist before. 4 years ako nag-practice. But when I realized that the career being a geologist is not for me, that's when I took the steps towards change. And I was grateful for that moment, the turning point in my life.
Yeah.
I'm in a better place right now.
Mm.
We've discussed this in our previous podcast episodes that we as digital marketers, online freelancers have more time, flexibility, and location flexibility. And I really do enjoy that one. In fact, I've gained a lot of weight, right, bro?
Yeah.
As compared
Yun yung-
before.
Yun yung
Because,
ano.
yun yung kapalit. And the change happened and I still have to change. So, change is really a dynamic thing. And, hindi naman talaga kailangan na paabutin pa natin sa extremes. No? Na kailangan natin mag-change. Siguro, one telltale sign lang na, uy, parang iba na to.
Yeah.
It doesn't align with what I want. It doesn't align with my dreams. Then it's time for you to change. The reason why people don't want to change is because they're afraid. They are afraid of actually taking risk because takot silang mawalan. And I was in that point in my career before as a geologist na, yes, mawawala yung trabaho ko, mawawala yung title ko, but I was able to turn that into something na pinupurso natin ngayon na kung saan tayo ay mas masaya, mas masagana, and much better than before.
Yeah.
So, we always change for the better. Tama ba, bro?
Yeah, we should.
We should change for
We
the
should
better.
change for the better.
Alangan naman, we change for the worse. Mahirap yun.
Mahirap yun. Wag naman sana.
Wag naman sana. And we are just humans, guys. Meron tayong tolerable limits when it comes to stress and duress and all the bad things that are happening around us.
That's true.
So, we are always changing. We are always dynamic.
Yeah.
If ikaw, 10 years from now, let's say, wala kang improvement, wala kang change, guess what? It's your fault. That's the reality. If gusto mo mang blame ng ibang tao dahil walang pagbabago sa buhay mo, kasalanan mo yan. Tama ba, brother?
100%. 100%. You can't just blame anybody else nga. Kaya nga, di ba sabi mo, fault talaga ng tao yun if you don't change. Kasi,
ang sarap ng burger nila.
I know, dude, like, yeah, the people, the people in the back, they're eating burgers, they're eating fries. Pero kami gutom, just,
Gutom
yeah,
na kami.
anyway, but yeah, tama yun, bro. Nag-change kami ng topic bigla. Pero yun lang yun. Pero yeah, change, isipin mo lang talaga na sarili mo lang talaga yung responsible when it comes to change. You can't let anybody,
Be accountable for that.
be accountable for that because that's all on you. Buhay mo yan, make some change.
Yes.
Make some change.
Kung ikaw ay, sabi mo, minimum wage earner ka ngayon, magkano ba minimum wage ng Davao ngayon? 400 plus?
600.
Kicks? 350? Sure? 350?
O 350 daw.
Sige, sabihin natin, you are earning 350 pesos per day. Alam naman natin na 350 nowadays, because of inflation,
Yep.
it's not enough
That's nothing.
to live the best life.
Yeah.
Yes, you will live. You will survive. But it's not enough to live the best life.
Yeah.
So, knowing that pain point, knowing that situation, how are you going to change from that?
Yeah.
Let's say, hypothetically, 10 years from now, 350 per day pa rin yung income mo. Let's say lang. Adjusted to inflation, siguro mga 400 plus.
Probably
Minimum
yeah.
wage. Do you think kasalanan mo ba yun? Tama?
Yeah.
Kasalanan mo yun because it's not,
Yeah.
hindi ka nag-change. You remain the same. So what if that situation is hindi naman sa nandidiri ka sa sarili mo, awang-awa ka na sa sarili mo, my gosh, minimum wage, and you decided to learn new skills. Lumipat ka sa ibang industriya. Explore your, greatness as a person, no? Hindi kasi natin alam kung hindi natin susubukan.
Yeah.
And 10 years, fast forward 10 years from now, yung buhay mo ay mas masagana. Yung buhay mo ay mas, yung think mo is yung 350 to, let's say, 2,000 pesos per day. That's a huge gap. And it's something that you do every single day to change.
Yeah. No, that's good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like I said, paulit-ulit namin sinasabi. But really, yung crux talaga is that change is something that must happen within.
Mid-in.
And then change is something that you need to, parang intentional dapat siya.
Intentional yung approach. Yes.
And then change can only happen talaga if you are going to, set aside things and let go of things na you realize or at least acknowledge na hindi mo talaga siya, hindi siya nakakabuti sa'yo. Okay? You can't change for the good and then still keep the bad things.
Yes.
Okay? So, parang yun lang yung wrap up namin dyan, And to kind of like just end this, yung last na lang namin masasabi, at least sa akin, masasabi ko is that do not let your life end without knowing how great you are.
Yes.
Your body can be better, your mind can be better, your skills,
heart.
your heart can be better,
Yes.
yung relationships mo can be better. Do not let your life na matapos and then di mo na-experience yung mga ganun, okay?
Yes.
Pwede ka pang makapag-travel. Marami ka pang pwedeng i-experience.
Marami kang pwedeng papuntahan.
Correct. Marami ka pang tao na pwedeng i-meet. Do not let it end there, okay? Go out there, make some changes, and make some impact.
Okay, you guys, what do you think are the things that you want to change in your life?
Ooh.
Because this is about change.
Yeah.
And for you to be truly transformed, a transformed person, ano ba yung mga bagay na kailangan mong gawin para ma-reach mo yung next level mo? Yung version 2.0 mo.
Yeah. Acknowledge mo na meron kang kailangan i-change. Okay?
And don't forget to let us know in the comments below. So, guys, don't forget to follow us on our social media channels and we'll see you on the next episode of the
Press Play Podcast!
Press Play Podcast!